And I know I'm blessed, watching you spin in that dress, make my heart beat out my chest. Can't count the times I've heard people say I'm lucky. Lucky ain't the word, oh I'm blessed. And all I ain't got is my breath. You stole it the first time we met. You're more than I deserve. People say I'm lucky. Lucky ain't the word, oh I've been checking you for halos. Hey everyone, this is Blaze who plays guitar lessons. I want to teach you how to play this song, Blessed by Thomas Rhett. This is actually probably my favorite song on the album, this and Beer Can't Fix. I just love this song. I don't even think he released it as a single or anything, but it's just so good, I think. So, very easy to play. It was requested by, I'm sorry if I butcher your name, Rafa Vasquez down in Mexico. Yeah, mi español is no bueno. That means it's not good, by the way, in case you don't know. So anyway, my Spanish is not good, is what I was saying there. But yeah, I really appreciate the request. I love this song. I've actually thought about teaching it before, but I'm glad you requested it. So let's get into it. Thanks so much for subscribing, by the way. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe and like so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials, okay? All right, standard tuning. No capo, baby. I love that. All right, so this is a super easy song. The chords are really, really basic. All right, so to start, you're going to use G, okay? And then you're also going to use E minor, okay? So G, I think it's easier if you play this G, but you can do either one, okay? So G, E minor. You're also going to use C. You're also going to use D. Okay, that's for most of the song. It's going to be a little bit different when you go to the bridge, and I'll show you that part, okay? So the intro part is crazy easy for just the chords, okay? And I can make another video sometime on like how to play the intro part if you guys want, potentially. It's not very hard, it's pretty easy, so, but I don't want to get into it right now. All right, so this song, you just do G. All right, I think it sounds best if you palm mute it. Now I'm just using my finger, like right here, okay? And then you put that part of your hand right here next to that, okay? Like as close as you can to it, and then you're just gonna pluck the bass notes of it, okay? So you're gonna pluck those two strings, E and A, okay? So you're gonna do, so down, 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 okay? Then you go to E minor, down, 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 back to G, down, 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 E minor, down, 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 G, okay? That's what you're going to do for the intro and for the verses, okay? So we want to do the verses, you're going to do G, lights it down, so you're going to be playing G before you go and say lights, okay? You're going to go, lights it down, but you're shining. Okay, so it's down. It's the same strumming pattern as the intro. And then when you go to E minor, so you're gonna go, but you're shining. So you go like, I kind of do like one strum that's like transitioning. All right. All right. You don't have to though. And then you're gonna go to E minor before you say like you always do. So it's before the word like. Like you always do. Okay, then you go to G again. Every day I'm reminded. Okay, then back to E minor. Of the miracle of you. Okay, then, so that's the verses. Then the pre-chorus, you're gonna do C, D, C, D. Okay, so you just do C, D, C, D. All right, that's it. So you're gonna do it, but you're still gonna be palm muting, and you go, too good for coincidence. So you do C before you actually start. So on this song, pretty much every time you play a chord, you're gonna play it before the lyrics actually happen for that part, okay? So you're gonna do C. You're too good for coincidence, and then you go to D. All right, so you know, I just did an open strum and then went to D. Okay. Now again, when I'm strumming, I just want to make sure I clarify this. You're plucking the bass notes, so when you're doing G, it's E and A. When you're doing C, you're doing A and D. Okay, like I guess you could do you can do E A, or you can do D A D. Okay. Then when you do like E minor, okay. So you can pluck any of them. Okay, you can pluck A E, A, or you can pluck A, D, okay? So then when you go to D though, you're gonna pluck the D and the B and the G strings, okay? Like that, okay? So you're gonna do C, too good for coincidence, okay, then D, too perfect for an accident, C, and I'm not sure what heaven is, okay, then D, but every night I get a glance and I know I'm blessed, okay? So the whole time you should have been palm muting, okay? But this part you don't have to. So you're gonna do the same strumming pattern. You're just gonna do down, 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 down. There's gonna be one little variation I'll show you. So you're gonna go, and I know I'm blessed. So blessed is where you start playing. You're gonna play G. And I know I'm blessed. Down, 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 okay? Watching you spin in that dress. Okay, so you're gonna do E minor. All right, dress. Make my heart beat on my chest. Okay, so you do chest to C. Can't count the times I've heard. Okay, so then when you go to D, you're gonna notice I did that, so you go from C. So I go down, 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 up, down, down. And if that's too hard, just don't do the down, up, down in between chords, okay? It's a little bit easier to do if you have a pick, but either way it's fine, okay? So then you're gonna do can't count the times I've heard. Okay, D is, you do D right after heard. People say I'm lucky, lucky ain't the word, oh I'm blessed. Okay, then you go to G on blessed again, blessed. And all I ain't got is my breath. Okay, then E minor on breath, breath. You stole it the first time we met. Okay, met is C, met. You're more than I deserve. Okay, then you go to D. People say I'm lucky, lucky ain't the word, oh I'm. Okay, so then as soon as you're finished with lucky ain't the word, oh I'm. Okay, then you go right into G and you start palm muting again. I keep checking you for halos. Okay, just like that, super easy. All right, but there's no like waiting on that part. You just go straight from D to G. All right, and palm muting. So then you're going to do everything like you did before, except for now when we're at the bridge, you're going to use A minor, okay, A minor, E minor, D, okay. You're going to do that twice. So I'll walk you through it in a second. But you're going to do that twice, and then you're going to do C, 'cause I'm on my knees. And you go to D, okay. So it's A minor, E, D. Sorry, A minor, E minor, D. A minor, E minor, D, so that's twice, and then you do C, D. That's it, and then you go back into the chorus, okay? So it's gonna be, so A minor, you do A minor before you start saying baby. Baby, you're the kind of girl that I've always prayed. Prayed is E minor, prayed for. So then you do just a few strums on D. Okay, then A minor. And I swear by my dying breath that I will be faithful. So right before you start saying faithful, you're going to do E minor. Faithful. Oh, then you go to D just for a few strums again, okay? Oh, baby. Then you go to C, okay? C. 'Cause I'm on my knees. Okay, then you go to D. And notice I went, so I did one strum. You don't have to do that, you can, but I just think it sounds cooler. Whoa, you make me. So you do D right before whoa. Whoa, you make me believe. Baby, I'm blessed. Okay, so what you're gonna do is after believe, you're just gonna let it ring out. Believe. Then mute. Baby, I'm blessed. Okay, that's the whole song. So now you know how to play it. Let me know if you guys have any questions, if you have requests for other songs. Yeah, it's been a lot of fun, guys. I really appreciate you watching and hitting and subscribing and liking my videos. So I'll see you next time. Thanks.